That's the start.
Hey Anna, we're watching Gordon. It's an automatic lawnmower.
Yes.
Hooray! They dragged me out, promised that I wouldn't have to walk, and we had to walk up a giant hill. And now I need a nap.
Quick,
anyway,
go home.
Mum wants me to video it, so here you go.
He's going home. Gordon is cutting the grass. There's his little house. I think he's going home.
Mum,
to
seriously.
recharge. Look, how cute is he?
It's a lawnmower!
I want one! Is it not going home?
Oh. Yeah, it is.
It is going home. Oh, this has made my day. It's made my life.
Ben. Badly.
Look at this. The grass is quite long in there. Oh, hold on.
Oh, come on, Gordon.
No, he's going to have to turn around.
You have to be really accurate. It's like docking the shuttle, isn't it?
Actually, from this angle.
Look at that. Have to be really accurate.
And in.
Oh! Awesome! Awesomeness! If we'd come 5 or 10 minutes later, we would have missed it.
You think Mum had never seen the pyramids or the Eiffel Tower? By the way, she's acting right now.
It is capital.
But Mum's a geek. Mum's a
geek. I love it.
Mum's a gadget girl.
Abby's being a sensei.
She's that tortoise from Kung Fu Panda.
Okay, well, I'm going to sign off now.
You have to be so
I'm tired.
on camera. Not you. Mum.
Bye, Anna. See what you're missing. Yay!
I don't want to run.
That's another thing I have to film.
I'm scared of...
So, here we go. There probably will be snakes.
Oh, wow.
Ben, she takes a growth.
Yeah, but you don't twist my ankle.
Does she realise this is going on the World Wide Web? Abby?
No, because I might twist my ankle. Or there might be a big trouble.
It won't be.
Not like that. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to go in there because I'm afraid of snakes and creepy crawlies and stuff, so we'll just watch Abby. And there's a giant hand. I miss you. I need someone to take the mickey out of them with me because they just say I'm grumpy. Yeah, I've got next week off, so that should be fun. Ow. Because I'm meant to be doing work experience, but I've got mine in the summer holiday, so I don't have to do it next week. And then I have one more week of school, which includes my birthday on Wednesday. And then I'm off for good. Mum still thinks I'm filming her, but the camera's facing me. The camera's not on you, Mum! I'm talking to Anna! Yeah, so, huh? Anyway, so I'm gonna go home for a nap, and then summer starts soon, which is gonna be exciting. Woo! Yeah, what have you been up to? Dancing? Maybe. Sewing. Yeah. Anyway, bye, Anna.